7th standard videos, or just I'll show you 105 lower into upper upon upper. So 105 into 360 upon 540. Solve this, you will get 70 degrees. Now which subject has 70 degrees? Hindi. So 105 marks are in Hindi. That's the answer. Next, from the table below, the number of students who got more than or equal to 40 marks is here 40 marks. So always remember 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. This 30 to 40 range does not contain the number 40. It contains up to 39 only. And 40 number starts with 40 over here, 40 to 50. Okay, always remember this. So we'll start with 40 over here. So 13 plus 4 plus 15 plus 6, that is 38. 38 is the answer. Next, a die is thrown. The probability of getting a multiple of 3 is, now what is a die? This is a dice, means singular is dice and multiple is die. So it's used Ludos, all snakes and ladders, everything, all that. How many faces does this die have? 6 faces. How many numbers are there on each face? 1, there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, only up to 6. There can be a 7 number on a die, right? If you, there is one peculiarity about this die. If you total the front edge or top edge and the bottom edge of any side, you will get the total as 7, right? This is 6, so the on the opposite face it will be 1, right? That logic. We want probability. The formula for probability is required options upon total options. So what are the total options when you throw a die? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any number can be, we can get it. But required is what? Getting a multiple of 3. You want a multiple of 3. Which are the multiples of 3 from this? 3 and 6. So 3 comma 6. So probability equals to required how many? 2. Right? Total how many? 6. So 2 upon 6, that is 1 by 3. Okay. Importance of probability is, main point about it is, it can't be greater than 1 and it can't be less than 0. Okay. You'll learn this in 9th. Next 3 questions are combined based on this histogram. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.